Hello and welcome to BZW-1. Today we're introducing the BZW-33JZ automatic benchtop terminal cross-section analyzer. Designed for cross-sectional analysis of crimp terminals, this machine integrates cutting, grinding, imaging, and measurement into one compact solution. Cutting and grinding are carried out in the same chamber, ensuring consistent orientation of the cross-sectional surface. With a testing range from 0.01 to 150 square millimeters, a rotating speed of 0 to 4000 rpm, and a measuring precision of 1 micron, the analyzer delivers reliable performance. The analyzer adopts German-imported ultra-thin cutting disc technology, preventing deformation which commonly caused by traditional tools. The Japanese high-precision ball-screw transmission ensures cutting accuracy, while the Z-axis micro-adjustment grinding system ensures polishing precision. The microscope platform supports multi-directional adjustments, enabling detailed analysis from different angles. The system provides high measurement accuracy, stable performance, and strong anti-interference capability, ensuring reliable results in every test. Equipped with a Japan-made HD 5.0 megapixel CCD industrial camera and a high-resolution microscope, it delivers clear imaging for accurate observation. The analyzer supports automatic report generation, allowing results to be saved and printed for traceability and quality control.